Wow, that's cool.
It's a box.
Things remembered. My favorite story.
Oh, where's my phone at? Where's my phone at? Anthony?
Can I tip it over?
My phone. I put it here by my purse.
Oh yeah, dude, I don't know what it is.
I don't know. I'm not going to shoot.
It's a card.
What is it?
Car.
You're trying to
I
say
told you it was a
you're
card.
getting a car?
Play the music box.
Oh, how cute. What does it say?
Whose car did I get? But what
Oh,
kind?
let's see. What does it say?
What does it say?
What does it say?
Congratulations. Now go find a congratulations on your new car.
Oh, how cute. It had keys on the bottom of
Are
it.
you serious?
It's a teaser.
Can we go look for it now?
Don't tease her like that.
Wait, are you serious? Go find.
Because you opened up your mom's car.
Are you serious? Sorry, Grandma.
Okay, let's go see.
You ready?
Why are you teasing her like that?
Did she find out we got her? Did she find out we got her a car?
Hey, recorder. Let me get.
Come on, Brandon, hold the door for Grandma.
This is a card?
Hmm?
It's so sweet.
You say that's our car?
It's her car. It's so sick. Oh, hell no, I'm better across my face. You know what Mom said? Give me a 4.0 when I said it's in your car. That's ugly.
She said.
Leather seats? What the hell?
Thank you.
What?
Say it again.
Thank you.
Is it you?
Thank you. Are you in shock or what? Yeah, I don't believe it.
For her.
I don't believe it. Hey, take a picture of the front.